All right, let's take a look at this thing. So we're going to look at the charge. It's fighting me, man. Come on, man. Okay, let's see. Energy. Energy, by the way, is a pass because these protons could collide with any amount of energy. If they collide with sufficient energy, they can make these massive particles. So energy is good. Let's look at charge. So this is proton is +1, and antiproton would be -1. Does that equal -1? The minus means it's -1, and +1, and 0. Yep, you bet. They both add to 0, right? So charge is great. Okay, let's look at baryon number. Proton is going to be +1. Antiproton is -1. Baryon number, right? Let's see, an omega minus is +1. An eta plus is this guy. They're not going to fool me this time. Okay, or a psi plus. Sorry, a psi plus is -1. And then this guy's a meson, right? It's not on here, but you'll see when you look at your reference sheet. You should see it's in the meson part, right? So this guy's 0, and so yeah, this works. So this reaction can occur, okay?